Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix random ads popping up on Android. Alright, so let's begin. We'll show you 3 steps. By adopting these 3 steps, you can also stop these annoying pop-up ads. In step 1, you have to open Play Store and then tap on your profile picture. Then tap on Play Protect and tap on Turn It On. It will automatically start scanning the applications. Sometimes you download application from unknown sources, and those applications start giving the ads. When you will enable the Play Protect, it will automatically scan and show you the harmful applications. If you see any harmful application, you have to uninstall. In method 2, you have to go to your phone settings, scroll down, tap on Notifications. Here, tap on Apps Notifications. Now scroll down here, you will find all the applications. Those are giving the notifications. So one by one you have to see the application. You can disable any application which is not in use. So review all the applications one by one. In step 3, you have to open Google Chrome browser. Then tap on these 3 dots at the top right, tap on Settings. Here, scroll down here, you will see the Site Settings option, tap on it. Scroll down here, you will see pop-ups and redirects. Tap on it and you have to disable this one. Now you have to go back and tap on intuitive ads. You have to disable this one. Also go back. So if you want to use browser, you have to go to Play Store, and here in search bar, you have to type ad-free browser. Here you will see so many search results. You have to see the downloads. You can see the first one having 10 million downloads. You can select the first one, ad blocker browser, and you can install this one, and you can use this one. You will not see any ads. So in the same way, you can also stop pop-up ads on Android. So that's basically how you can fix random ads popping up on Android. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.